If you use Monday.com to manage projects and you want to get 7pace Timetracker set up quickly with a Workspace template, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to install the app, choose the right template, place it in the right workspace, and then configure it for your team's workflow. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Monday.com tips, app setup guides, and time tracking tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you know when the next tutorial goes live. All right, let's get into it. First, open your Monday.com board and make sure you're in the workspace where you want 7pace Timetracker to be added. This part matters because the template will be placed into the workspace you choose, so it's a good idea to start in the exact area where your team will actually use it. Once you're on your board, look at the top menu and find the Monday Marketplace icon. This is where Monday.com keeps all of its apps and integrations, including 7pace Timetracker. Click that Marketplace icon to open the App Marketplace. Now use the search bar and type in 7pace. You should see the 7pace Timetracker app appear in the results. Click on it, then go ahead and install it. Depending on your account setup, Monday.com may ask for permissions or confirmation during the installation process, so just follow the prompts and continue through the setup. After the installation is complete, you'll usually see an option that says Use App. Click that to launch 7pace inside Monday.com. This takes you from the installation step into the actual setup flow, where you can choose how the template is created. Next, click Start with a Template. This is the option that lets you begin with a pre-built setup instead of building everything manually from scratch. Using a template is helpful because it gives you a structured starting point and saves time when setting up your workspace for tracking and team organization. After that, you'll be asked to choose between a lite template and a full template. The lite version is usually a simpler setup if you just want the basics, while the full template is better if you want a more complete structure with more features and more tracking options. Pick the one that fits your team's needs best. Once you select the template type, you'll need to choose a workspace. This is the important step where you decide where the 7pace board will live inside Monday.com. Select the workspace you want to use and make sure it's the correct one before continuing. After the workspace is selected, you should now see the 7pace board appear inside that workspace. This means the template has been created successfully and is ready to use. At this point, you can open the board and begin reviewing the setup. Now take a moment to select the board and configure it according to your needs. You may want to adjust columns, rename sections, update team settings, or tailor the layout based on how your organization tracks time and manages projects. This is where you turn the template into a setup that actually matches your workflow. If you're setting this up for a team, it's a good idea to check that everything is organized clearly before you start using it day to day. That way, everyone knows where to log time, where to find tasks, and how the workspace is meant to function. And that's it. You've now learned how to set up a workspace template in 7pace Timetracker for Monday.com. You've installed the app, started with a template, chosen lite or full, selected the right workspace, and opened the board for configuration. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Monday.com tutorials or app walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.